Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first open the movie search application. Let's open it once again. Here you'll see the AOD section. Select one from the available options, tap to apply. You could here add the backgrounds if you want. You could change them by swipe to the up or to the down. Tap to apply selected backgrounds. You could hide here the music controls to activate or turn off, to show notifications and the date with the help of the switcher, and to show battery status always while charging or never. Let's go back, tap the X icon and switch AOD to the settings. Click to always on display. Here we could see show on lock screen option always while charging. On music we could use this option separately. We could decrease or increase the brightness level to switch AOD timeout, low power after timeout, screen lane orientation, closing the AOD option by double or single tap on the lock screen to close it in with the fingerprint method. Unlock method if you use it on your device, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow in the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AOD option on our VIVO phone. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.